Hi everyone, it's Pharmacist Chelsea here. Cough and cold medication. There are so many different ingredients in the various cough and cold medications. These may not be safe for you. If you have asthma, high blood pressure, a heart condition, kidney problems, or liver issues, you definitely need to check with your pharmacist. In general, anyone with health conditions or on any medications should check with their pharmacist. You also might not need all the ingredients, and it's always best to only treat the symptoms that you have. Stay healthy. Comment or send me your questions. Bye for now.